Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is subject-verb agreement. Now let us take a look at some sentences. He visits his uncle daily. Here he is a singular noun and visits is a singular verb. You all know that verbs are action words or doing words. They both show action. So here he is the singular noun. So with the singular noun we use singular verb visits. Remember, a singular word has s added to it. Now let us look at another sentence. Rahul and Priya swim every day. Here two people are involved, Rahul and Priya. So that is plural, that's a plural noun. With a plural noun we will use a plural verb, that is swim. So with the plural noun Rahul and Priya we will use a plural verb swim. Remember, a plural verb does not have an s in it. Remember, he, she, it are singular nouns and they have s with them in the verb. They, we and plural nouns do not have s with them in the verb. So children, remember, when you use a singular noun you use a singular verb with it, and when you use a plural noun you use a plural verb with it. Now let us look at some examples. She dances, right? We will not say dance because she is a singular noun. So with a singular noun we will use a singular verb which has an s attached to it. So she dances. Reena and Pia. Reena and Pia are two people, so they are plural nouns. With plural nouns, we will use plural verb. So, Riya and Pia play. Play is the plural verb. Remember, we will not use an s with play because Riya and Pia is plural. So, we will not use s with play. Riya and Pia play. Let us look at one more example. He eats. He is a singular noun. So with a singular noun we will use a singular verb. Remember, singular verb has an s attached to it. So he eats. Now there are some exceptions to the rules of subject-verb agreement. The exceptions are I and you. Remember, we do not use s with verbs which are attached to I and you. For example, I eat biscuits daily. Okay, I is singular, but I is an exception. So we will write I eat biscuits daily. We will not say I eats biscuits. We will say I eat biscuits. Similarly, you dance very well. You also falls in the exception group. So you dance. We will not put an s with dance. So you dance very well. Now let us see some sentences related to subject-verb agreement. We have a with the singular noun, we will use a singular verb. So along with flower, we will write blooms, which has an S with it. Here we have two flowers, that's plural. So flowers bloom. So with this plural noun, we are using a plural verb which does not have an S with it. Boy. A boy plays. A boy is singular, and along with singular noun, we use a singular verb which is plays. A boy plays. The next one, we can see there are two boys over here, so that's plural. Boys play. Right here we had seen a boy plays. Here, since it has become plural, it becomes boys play. Moving on to the next one, cloud. A cloud brings rain. A cloud is singular, so it will have a singular verb with it. So a cloud brings rain. So with cloud we will write brings, not bring. Right? Moving on to the next one, we can see two clouds over here. That's plural. Clouds. Clouds bring rain. Clouds is a plural noun and it will have a plural verb attached to it. So we will write clouds bring rain. This is a singular leaf. A leaf grows on trees. A leaf is singular, so we will write a singular verb with it. So we have a leaf grows on trees. With the singular noun, we will write singular verb which has an S with it. Lastly, we have two leaves over here, so that's plural. Leaves grow on trees. With the plural noun, we use the plural verb grow. So now children, I hope the concept of subject-verb agreement is clear to you. Thank you.